I got a question about what the red button does on the car. Actually triggers the horn, either the car is locked or not. Or perhaps let's just lock it first and let's just see. So it doesn't seem to work very well, but that's how it does. Basically it triggers the horns. It's just an emergency in case someone is trying to whatever steal something for you or something like this, but it does not trigger the alarm. Is that the car also has the alarm, which is different, but it doesn't trigger the alarm. It's really triggering the horn. It's completely different. It's louder also. And you can also you have the yellow button is the paddle lights. You have this lights, and also perhaps it depends. Now it's a daylight, but you won't see it, but that's how it does. The yellow button, the paddle lights, is just fancy at night. If you want to see your car, you have a light on the side of the car to enter the car and maybe just see around it. But yes, this is the first time I'm trying. Someone really asked what does this button. First time I'm trying this, and I was surprised to realize it's actually the horns and not the alarm siren. All right, thanks. To test the siren and the alarm itself, maybe the easiest way is to lower a glass in the front doors, close the doors, make sure everything is closed, trunk, hood, everything, and lock the car with the fob, and you'll see the lights flashing. You also have this light flashing slowly. It means the car is secured, it's closed, and then just grab the handle. And you have 10 seconds. 10 seconds, so Volvo gives you 10 seconds. Maybe you want to grab the fob and press the unlock here to untrigger the alarm, but after 10 seconds it should start screaming. And I have, and it's really noisy, especially I'm inside the garage. But you just release the siren by unlocking one or more doors.